Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1971 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. Super good car, finished in Damson with black interior, black top, 4-speed, factory overdrive, disc wheels. Very nice recent cosmetic restoration on this car. So newer paint. Wheels are in great shape. You could see that beautiful restored wheel set, very sharp. Really good paint all the way around. They have fitted back the original bumper set. Great gaps. Let's do a slow walk around here. A really nice grille. Just nice factory finish on this Damson. Brand new windshield with newer rubber. Brand new soft top just fitted by us. New rubber seals, restored top frame, all brand new material. Very nice restored dashboard. You can see there, that's the overdrive switch, the overdrive stalk. 105,000 miles, but mechanically attended to as necessary. Nice seat set, nice carpets. You can see brand new carpet set there. Arm bars, panel kit. So super good condition, cosmetically, all the way around. I believe this car has all the trunk kit nicely finished here. Black top boot, new panel kit all around in the trunk. There's the original jack. See the back of the trunk lid's all painted nicely. Yeah, let me show you this car's engine compartment. I believe this car has been restored in the original colors that it left the factory at. And it's a factory overdrive car, which is super desirable. Yeah, under here, we're gonna see how nice of a well-preserved original car it is, because this is all the original paintwork in good condition. It's fitted with a new aluminum radiator, electronic ignition, high torque starter. This car has a sports exhaust system, which really lets the engine breathe. You can see newer green hose set. But yeah, really nice, pleasant, original engine compartment on this one. Evidence of a rebuild, you can see the ARP studs and nuts, so we definitely know it's had a top-end rebuild, but I think it's had a whole complete engine rebuild in the not too distant past. But yeah, have a look at the undercarriage on this car. Really handsome in this dark red with black interior, factory overdrive. 71, I believe. Yeah, let's look at the original data plate. Yeah, build date May of 71, and you can see that O suffix denoting overdrive. Paint 17, trim 11. Nicely restored. Really good early car in really good colors. Original PL Lucas headlamps. Super attractive little thing here, being a factory built overdrive TR6 and an early CC car. This is our 1971 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. Very nicely restored recently. Damson with black interior, black top boot, 4-speed factory overdrive. Recent full cosmetic restoration showing about a little over 100,000 miles. www.kurttannermotorcars.com